Welcome everyone to our weekly Bitcoin and crypto analysis. Before we get to that, we are going to dive into a crypto pick, or should I say unpick. So we're looking at the cryptocurrency sectors by 24-hour price change. We have Runes at number 1. Runes is a new protocol to create the fungible tokens on the blockchain. Now you're using Bitcoin that is archaic and outdated. There's so many other blockchains out there to build tokens on. So I say that because is that you click on Runes. Okay, what is trending? We see here at the right, Lobo the Wolf PUP. Of course, it's another meme coin. Lobo the meme PUP is trending. Here at the top, Dodge and Dog Go to the Moon is trending as well. Of course, it is a meme coin. Look at the circulation supply. 100 billions. Look at the circulation supply of this Lobo the Wolf PUP. It's not even recorded. It's probably in the trillions or sextillions. So looking at Lobo the Wolf PUP, and I preface this is that this is not anything remotely of a token or anything that I would be looking to buy. The people that are buying this are the ones that most likely created this token. They put some money at the bottom, they create some news, and they get a few thousand or so investors, which pumps the price. They make their hundreds of thousands off of it, and they eventually pull the rug. They get out. You can't tell me that something like this is that's going to be around long term. Look at their website, and when I see weird, it is absolutely has a weird aura about it. Look at the website. Not only has a weird aura about it, all the website here is just enter your wallet address to check your token allocation. That this website has nothing to it. It does not explain anything. But yet, we have a 24-hour volume of, it's looking at the 24-hour volume, going to the markets, looking at some of the markets. In one exchange, you have $800,000, over $800,000 in it. In another exchange, Hotcoin, you have over $100,000 in it. In another exchange, you have over $9,000 in it. In another exchange, you have $34,000 in it. These with the asterisks, it's not updated, so we can't count those. These are all very not too prominent exchanges, but still the token's being traded on it. Now, I'm not going to dwell upon this token for that long because it's fluff. Lobo the Wolf Puff. Lobo the Wolf PUP. It's nothing. Runes? Who's buying runes? Who's buying these meme coins? People out here is diluting the market. You're causing the real coins out there that have real technology to progress the world are being polluted and diluted by all these meme coins that are fly by night. But in any way, let's get to looking at the Bitcoin chart. Now, Bitcoin has gotten to what I expected. Looking at the day chart, is still stagnating, still consolidating and going down in a consolidation manner in which it's going down. Okay? We saw this because it hit a area of resistance. bounced off that. Now it hit another area of support, bounced a little bit off that, hit another area of resistance, a little lower, bounced back. So it's bounced between these areas of support and resistance, you say. So we're looking at this. It's passing the Ikebukuro cloud, and we have a red, if you will, flag, a red cloud that's formed. Now this is a bearish indicator. Although it's resting here on this large expanse of support. So this launch, let me draw a horizontal line at where it's at. It's resting upon this area of support right here. And this is area of support that's been around for a while. As you see on the daily, on the 4-hour chart, it's been ranging in this area since March, 24th of March, ranging in this area for that long. So what it's either going to do, it's going to continue to range in this area as it's been since the 24th of March. And it has to break past this zone. Either it's going to break past this zone to the downside or break past the zone to the upside. And that is where we'll see if it breaks past the zone to the upside, greater gains. It has to break past this area of resistance to go up. Now, we obviously got time. We have time. Because for it to go up, that will skyrocket past 70K, you see. That is close to 80K. 80K is close to 90K. 90K is close to 100,000. That's the psychological price that everybody wants Bitcoin to get to. So this will take time. But the key play to make money is trading these zones, up and down these zones, the support and resistance, trading these zones, finding where you would sell and finding where you would buy. Now, if you are not in the day trading or swing trading, but you're just in the buying selling, then you want to continuously buying, dollar costing averaging in as you have money to invest. It's always a good time. Okay? So, this is the Bitcoin analysis of the week. We are still here, stagnant at this level. It's hitting on the 1-hour chart. It went down to this area of support, as you see with this line. So it's either going to continue to go back and continue to bounce in between these areas of support and resistance, or it's going to drop down, go down further to another zone of support and resistance. So we have down to here for it to at least go, or down to here. You see, it can go all the way down here or here and still stay within a bullish trend. You see, people won't like that, but Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin's going to do. And if Bitcoin goes down, then all the other cryptos follow suit. Looking at Ethereum. Now, different positive and negative correlations. Looking at a daily chart, see a huge burst of activity, a huge burst of growth here. Ethereum is more explosive in its movement. So with this, as we've shown you in previous videos, we're going to draw a trend line. I'm going to draw a trend line. I'm drawing a trend line here. And so Ethereum has to break past this trend line, and you know that it will be going down, all the way down to test this support, you see. But we also have this area of support as well that has to break past. So once it breaks past this trend line and this horizontal line of support, then it has a little bit of a resistance or support to go down to here. Has to pass this area of resistance and support. And for it to go back up, and it will have to bounce off of this area of support. In liaison with Bitcoin's movement. As you see, like with Bitcoin, Ethereum reached a all-time high, another all-time high, hitting this area of resistance again. That is why it fell down. You see? Basically is in between this level of area support, this level of support and resistance, up here, down here. And it seems like Ethereum is more explosive, is because there's not as much areas of support and resistance for it to blast past or to fall through as Bitcoin. So that's why you may see all these explosive movements. Ethereum is naturally more explosive than Bitcoin. So the move right now is we are in the waiting period. If you're in a trade, this is a trading point to decide whether or not to get out. If you're buying, set your stop losses. You want, if it breaks past this trend line and this area of support, then it will fall back down to here. But look, with crypto and with forex, there might be a huge spike for the drop down, and then it pops back up. So you have to be vigilant with this. You have to be vigilant because it will hit this support, and rightfully so, touch that support. But that can happen only in a couple minutes and then bounce back up and continue to go up. You have to be vigilant with this crypto trading because it'll throw you in the headspin. Is any crypto news? Gemini announces $2.18 billion in returns to earn users. It's a lot of money. Winklevoss crypto firm customers will get back triple the value of their frozen assets. PayPal makes retail stablecoin play with PYUSD on Solana. MasterCard launches person-to-person crypto network vanity address system. Investors who lost a $740K to Ontario's crypto king among 5 men charged with kidnapping him. There's a lot of money out there, a lot of money to be stolen, a lot of money to be at risk. So, Bitcoin, as always, crypto trading, forex trading, stock trading, investing your money is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. We'll talk in the future video coming up on why it's important to have an income separate from a location, is that you can create money anywhere in the world. And especially if you're in a foreign land, in a foreign country, that the dollar, your currency, is much less in comparison to the dollar, then you're being paid. If you're being paid from these platforms, US platforms or whatnot, you're being paid in US dollar. That US dollar in your currency, say in Mexico, or in Brazil, or Thailand, can go a long way. So you'll be much richer than you were if you were making that money in the cost of living in the United States. So you want to create income separate from a location so you can take that money anywhere in the world and create that income anywhere in the world. You see, that is how you exponentially grow your wealth. is to be able to grow your wealth anywhere in the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.